Take a look at this channel. With just around 20 video uploads, it has already crossed over 6,000 subscribers and is fully monetized, simply by posting AI-generated long-form videos. And the most impressive part? These videos are consistently getting millions of views. You can see the results for yourself. In fact, this isn't just a one-off example. There are many creators out there who are uploading AI-powered long videos, getting monetized, and earning real income from YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can create your own long-form videos using AI, step by step. So, if you're ready to learn and start building your own channel, let's get started. The first step is to create a strong and engaging story, which will serve as the foundation of your entire video. For this, we'll be using ChatGPT. All you need to do is simply type in the kind of story you want. For example, here I asked for a 300-word story just to demonstrate the basic process. Keep in mind, this is only a starting point. You can always make your story longer or more detailed depending on the type of video you want to create. As you can see, the AI quickly generates a complete story within seconds. Now, let me show you how to turn this same story into a video. First, copy the story you generated. Then head over to Google and search for Focal AI. Once you see the website, go ahead and click on it to open it. After that, you'll need to sign up. Don't worry, the process is very simple and you can quickly register using your Google account. Once you're inside the platform, you'll receive around 110 free credits, which are more than enough to create several videos and test everything out. If you happen to run out of credits, you still have options. You can either upgrade or simply sign up with another account to continue creating more videos. This makes it really beginner-friendly and perfect for experimenting while you're just getting started. Next, you'll see an option on the dashboard. Go ahead and click on it, then select the script option since we already have our script ready. Now, simply paste your script into the input box and click the arrow button to continue. After that, you'll be presented with a few customization options. This is where you can define the style of your video. For example, if you don't find a built-in Pixar style, you can just type something like 3D animation Pixar style manually and proceed to the next step. Now, choose the aspect ratio based on your video format. For long-form YouTube videos, select a widescreen ratio. You'll also need to set the video duration according to your needs. In my case, I'm choosing 2 minutes, but you can always go longer depending on your script length and content. Once everything is set, the platform will process your settings and ask you to review them. Take a quick moment to check if everything looks good. After that, simply click on Start Generating. You'll then be redirected to the editing section, where you can see your entire video being created, scene by scene. The AI will automatically generate visuals, clips, and even voiceover based on your script. This process may take a little time, so just be patient while everything renders. Once it's done, you'll see that your video is fully ready, with all clips neatly arranged on the timeline along with the voiceover. If everything looks good to you, the final step is simple. Just click on the Export option to download your video.
There was a young shepherd named David, the smallest in his family, often overlooked and underestimated. While his brothers trained as warriors, David spent his days in the fields, caring for sheep and trusting God. One day, a giant named Goliath challenged the entire army. Strong soldiers were afraid. No one dared to fight him. But David stepped forward. With no armor, no sword, only a sling and 5 small stones, he faced the giant. People doubted him. They laughed. But David believed. As the giant moved closer, David stood firm and said, "I come in the name of the Lord. One stone, one swing,
And that's it. Your AI video is ready to download and share. Try it yourself, get creative, and start making amazing videos. Thanks for watching.